your problem? Who is after you? Why are you running like that? I almost started running.
I don't even know where to start. Your girlfriend has caused a big problem between me and Boma. But before that, a criminal came to my house with her mother and accused me of getting her pregnant.
Wait. You got a criminal pregnant? Then why are you standing here with me? The police should be after you.
Police is not after me.
Eh.
That was what she said. She said I got her pregnant. The annoying thing is that it's just once. Once we did it.
Just once.
And before that once, this girl stressed out my life.
Eh?
She said she was a virgin. Eh? But when I eventually entered...
Are you serious? But that's not fair now. Eh? But wait, looking at this whole thing logically, I don't think once is enough to give her pregnancy.
That's the point.
Because no, once is not enough. Because if that be the case, all the couple in this our society that be looking for the fruit of womb and would have gotten pregnant. You understand? Logically again, if you know that all these couples, they work hard morning, afternoon, night, and it's not coming. So this once is not enough.
Exactly my thoughts.
It's not enough.
Exactly.
What are we going to do about this thing now? Okay. So you will go to their house. Call her daughter out and give them serious warning. I don't like nonsense.
I don't like nonsense too.
I hate nonsense. Give them serious warning once and for all. Then they will know that you are not the kind of person they will toil with. How can? Is it anybody their daughter gets pregnant, they will come and put it on you? Are you the only man in this village?
Can you imagine?
Eh? They will now put it on you that you impregnated them. It's not good now. So that warning will make other parents, other mothers aware of what you can do. You go there with your full chest. That's what. What is there is, if you want me to follow you, I will follow you. But you have to pay a price because it's not easy to buy my time. What are we going to do now? Yeah. Let's make it 2 bottles because you're my friend. 2 bottles. And I'll follow you. I will give you ginger. I will support you.
2 bottles of beer.
2 bottles. Really. Once I take it now, I'll be on a high frequency.
That is not a bad idea. It's a good one. Yes. But the problem now, that was why you saw me running, was that when I was going, I now saw the woman and her daughter discussing with Boma.
Your own Boma?
My own Boma.
Wait, did you try to notice any of her reaction? Maybe if they were telling her something about the pregnancy?
I couldn't stay. I had to run before she would see me. I ran.
You did the right thing. Now that we will still go there and warn them. So that it's not, you are not the only man in this village. Why are they bringing every pregnancy to you? Go and warn them. So that they will know that next time, if they see you, they'll say, this person, and every other woman or girl that is getting pregnant for you, sorry, I'm accusing you, will not come back to you. That's it. Yes, before you said my
forget about that one. Forget about that one. Let us execute this your brilliant idea first. Let's go. I'll buy you beer now.
The last time, that was how I followed you to go and warn what was this man's name? And a daughter.
Does this place look like
just give me the money, let me know you are ready.
We follow this road. Mama Nkechi's shop. We'll buy beer there. Let's go. I'll buy you beer, then we'll go to the place. I'll buy you beer.
Okay. Bring out your chest. Because once we see you walking.
Please, you know the price of a nice coffee? That will be good enough to bury this soul.
Hey, what happened to him?
Nothing. But something terrible is about to happen to him. I've only come here to tell you to get ready to bury him.
Wait, my daughter. What is the problem?
If you like, go and report me to the village vigilante group. I don't care. Even the police, that won't stop anything. But I swear, if I don't send that useless son of yours to his early grave, know that I am not the daughter of my father.
But how could you just sit here and watch that girl come here, say such terrible things about our son and you didn't do anything?
I've never beaten you before. So you do expect me now to start beating another woman. And besides, that girl is old enough to be your own daughter. You should have done something.
I am going to look for my son.
Come back here, sit down. Sit down here. Sit down here. You see, so a small boy. You see a small boy. Allow them to sort themselves out. Let's play our game. That girl is his girlfriend.
That's my son we are talking about here.
I know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Come here, remove your game.
Job? What's that? How did you count and get to this place now?
Your
game was here.
Did you see what I got? Look, stop. You know.
Our plan is actually working now. But you have to pay for all the beating I've been receiving.
No. Who? Nobody can hurt my baby. Oh. Nobody will try it. I'll call you back. Is this so? See, I knew it. I knew you would come back for me. You know, I actually believe you said God. Furo!
What are you doing in my compound with this irresponsible goats?
Listen, madam.
If I ask you this question again without giving me an answer, I will kill you with my bare hands and face the consequences.
Listen, madam, I will ignore the insult. But let me tell you something. We came here to...
Not we. You came here.
I came here to warn you that if you and your daughter do not stay away from me, you will face criminal legal charges.
Oh, so you came here to threaten us. I was thinking you came here to do the needful. But it's obvious that you are still a foolish man. Yes!
No, what do you mean by doing the needful? What exactly do you mean by doing the needful? Listen, I am not responsible for your daughter's pregnancy. In fact, we only did it once, just once. And there's no way in this life that doing it once can get somebody pregnant. Besides, do you know, your daughter convinced me that she was a virgin. But when I eventually entered, this girl taught me handicap.
Furo. Of all the men in the world, you decided to get pregnant for this fool. What in this world did this man, this God here tell you to make you remove your pants for him? What?
Mommy, he said that if you could do it for his father, that me, I can do it for him. And he also said it's in the bush that you and his father first did it.
Oh my God! You are just as useless as your father has ever been. What else do I expect from a man that cannot last up to 1 minute on top of a woman? Furo, did this thing here, did it last up to 1 minute on top of you?
So if you so thinks I'm a fool. No. I can't sit down here and be thinking about what he has done. When I can actually find him and break his head. He thinks he's smart. We'll find him and finish him.
Boma,
Welcome.
thank you. What did Ibiso do to you to make you this angry?
What style would you want him to make for you?
I trust you now. You can always find a good style. This is your face. I know only one Ibiso that is capable of making a girl this angry.
What are you talking about?
I'm talking about the jobless Ibiso who took off his clothes in public to fight me. He's so shameless, simply because I asked him to pay me the money he's borrowed from me.
Ibiso?
Is there any other Ibiso? The same useless Ibiso from Bakana. He told me that he loves me very well, that he's going to stick with me till the end of time, only for him to dump me after he got what he wanted. That guy is a devil. God is going to punish him. He's wicked. I regret the day I met him.
Are you serious?
My love, sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. Look, you don't need to go now. Eh? I'm almost close to the house. So just give me some minutes. I'll soon be with you. Eh? Alright, baby, alright. I'm sorry, okay? So, as I was saying before the call, you see, the government, the politicians are the problems we have. These politicians, they try as much as possible to embezzle money instead of creating infrastructures, instead of creating job opportunity for the poor masses, which is not good. With that, if the poor masses and the youths of our society are gainfully employed, there will be no time for frivolities. And everybody will be busy.
Can you shut up? Can you just stop talking about politics, politicians, activism for once? I'm trying to think of how to convince Boma that I am now a changed person.
Aha! This is exactly what I am saying. Because if you listened well and understood the angle I'm coming from, you will understand that if you had a job, if we are gainfully employed, all you need to do is walk into your fat bank account, withdraw a chunk amount of money, take her out, spoil her son, take her shopping, take her to restaurants, give her what she wants. She will start you from cheek to cheek, and you will find out that there will be no problem. Everything will be sorted out on the own. That is to say, money has read everything. There is no love, then there is no money. You see?
Hey, baby.
Hey! What is it? Hey, take it easy. You see, whatever the problem is, we can sort it out. You don't need to fight. Please, don't fight.
Who is here to fight? I'm here to kill him.
Oh, not when I am here. Not when the two of you are my friends. And not when I am alive. You see, in activism, we have 3 C's, which is consultation, consolidation, and confrontation. You went straight to confrontation, just like the government. They do things without thinking. They go straight into confrontation without consulting, without consolidation. Now, confrontation is suicidal.
Ibiso, who exactly do you take me for? Ibiso, who do you take me for? Who do you think I am to you? A moron?
Was that why you slapped me?
Just take it easy.
No, this is not fair now. Just behaving like a wild animal.
Oh, you are not calling me a wild animal. Toyo, shift. Let me show you how wild animals behave.
Wait, don't go anywhere. No, wait.
Why you being problematic?
Okay, it's okay. It's okay.
Oh.
It's okay.
I am not problematic, right? Let me show how wild animal you so.
No. But it's okay.
Okay, leave me. I will kill him.
I just told you that I am not solve the problem. Don't touch it.
I am now explain about
No,
Nollywood
no,
rights.
no.
No, wahala.
No, no,
I
no.
will deal with it.
No, please. Don't fight. You see, we are the cause of our problems. No consultation, no consolidation. Then, confrontation. That is the government we are in. Baby, I'm sorry I kept you waiting. Please.
Leave me alone. You've just killed all the excitement I came with.
I know, but I said I'm sorry. It wasn't deliberate.
Okay, fine. You're forgiven.
Thank you. That's my mood. It's fine. Oh my goodness. I didn't even look. See how beautiful you're looking. So tell me, what was the excitement all about?
I finally met Chief Sokari, and I told him about you.
Babe, I thought I told you I don't want to have anything to do with these politicians.
I know you told me, but I cannot stand you not having anything. I can't stand it. I need you to have the kind of money that you want. I want you to be like every successful man out there. You know, make money, have plenty of money. Don't forget we're planning our wedding and we need all the money in the world. Come on, you don't know what it took me to track that man down, just to have a meeting with him.
So, who did you tell him I am to you?
Well, I told him you're my cousin. Babe.
Your cousin?
Babe, calm down now. Let me explain now. Listen, I didn't want this man to start thinking he's trying to help a boyfriend of a girl that doesn't want her to do anything with her. You know how these men, how they think? Those men, you know how they think. Come on now. Huh? Stop.
Okay. So what do you want me to do?
If only you had allowed me, go look for him. Do you know that? Ibiso, why are you so irresponsible?
That is exactly what I have been trying to say. But neither of you wants to understand me. You have always insisted that I am irresponsible, and I have never argued it.
Why would you argue it? Is it not obvious that you are an irresponsible man? You don't know?
Ibiso, you should be ashamed of yourself.
Yes.
Even me, your mother, I am ashamed of you.
You should only be ashamed of the fact that after establishing over years that I am irresponsible, which I never argued, a woman walked in here with her daughter and said that I am responsible for her pregnancy. And both of you agreed without any argument. So it is either both of you have been lying to me that I am irresponsible, or the woman and her daughter are lying.
Look at this stupid son of an irresponsible bitch.
Are you trying to play with our intelligence? What? Are you mad? Why would you slap me like that?
I I should be the one asking you if you have gone mad. Did you just refer to Ibiso as the stupid son of an irresponsible bitch, right?
Yes, now. Is that why you have to slap me? Eh?
Okay. If he is, then you need to tell me who that irresponsible bitch is today. You need to tell me. You will tell me who that person is right now.
Okay. It's okay. Wait, you have slapped me.
Tell me.
What
Were you referring to me? Oh, you can't talk.
I told you men are not worth it. You don't need to lift a finger to help them. Just look at you. After everything you did for Ibisu, both financially and otherwise, just look at you. Look at what he's trying to do to you. Boma.
I know he doesn't deserve it. But is it that Ibiso marries me or I marry him?
Meaning?
How is the story going to be told? That the girl who came to learn sewing under me snatched away my boyfriend. I'll marry him.
Boma, I beg you, just let go and just move on, please.
No, I'm not going to allow everything that I've spent on him to go down the drain like that. I have been a fool for too long. And I want to play that foolishness till the end.
Oh, come on, you end up hurting yourself. Yes.
What is the worst that can ever happen?
Marry him and he will turn you into a punching bag.
And I will go to jail for killing my husband.
Boma.
My son turned to a complete chaff when he started sneaking around with that girl called Boma. What do we not do to put him away from our evil shackles?
I also did my best to make sure she stayed away from Ibiso. I even had to tell the girl I want to marry, the girl I'm planning to marry, to look for a very good girl like her for Ibiso. But my friend will say she's not talking anything about that. He's not even going in that direction.
You see, you are even thinking of getting married and settling down. But this one here is busy floating around.
My only concern in this whole thing is Boma is an angel. Compared to that one that accused him of getting her pregnant. That girl is a complete physical manifestation that evil spirits exist.
Are you for real?
Yes. If you allow that girl anywhere close to Ibiso, she will use him as appetizer. Hey. And the two of you, the main meal.
Hey, Ibiso,
why you don't need me to tell you how many destinies she has destroyed.
Hey, Ibiso, why are you always drawn to women who have nothing to write home about? Why? Hey!
Well, I just said I should come and tell you people. I'll have to be on my way now.
Hey, thank you very much, my son. Thank you very much. Come. See, my wife and I will make sure that that girl does not come anywhere close to our family again. Yes, and you should be grateful to God that you have a friend like him. Yes. Hi.
Ibiso, come and sit.
Thank you, my brother. Good night. See your friend off now. You are angry because you come here to tell us the truth about your behavior. Eh?
Yeah.
What are we going to do about this? Look, you better do something. Because I've tried. Do you know the reason government detains an activist or a journalist? But instead of their colleagues to fight for their release, they would rather collect some brown envelopes and begin to change the narrative in support of the government.
Those journalists and activists don't know their jobs. They are corrupt.
You don't get it. You still don't get it.
If the government is serious about fighting corruption, they will not offer any journalist or activist brown envelope in the first place.
There is something called power of disunity. It's a very powerful tool used by those who want to stay long in power. Used to keep those under them on lockdown. It's a very, very, very effective tool.
I get your point. So what happens if the people decide to unite against the odds?
Yeah, maybe it's alright. That's your name. I just remembered that some of my political colleagues will be coming into town by Saturday. Yes. I want you to arrange 5 sharp girls, beautiful sharp girls that will keep them company.
Sir, you want me to arrange girls for your political associates?
Exactly. And if you're able to do this very, very well, I think I might just start considering you as my as my personal assistant for such matters. Yes.
It's good. It's good, yes. It's good. But please, can you just give me the recommendation letter I can?
What is your problem? This is the problem with you people like you. You just want to be masters without serving. Huh? You want me to give you recommendation? How can I give you recommendation when I can't even vouch for your loyalty?
What was I supposed to do? I don't tire. I just had to go and see him, at least if I could get a job or something. Or, just any help. I don't blame him. I don't blame Chief Sokari one bit. He gave me the honor and privilege of being his pimp. He wanted me to be arranging girls for him. I don't blame him. Do I have a good job at my age? Do I have a good job? I don't have a car. I can't even close my eyes to dream of building my own house. Boss, my dreams are just horrible dreams. Do you know how old my father was when he married my mother? He was 28. But look at me. Do you know how old I am?
Yes. At least I know you're a very young boy at heart. But when I look at you spiritually, I see Pete Edochie. Though I know you don't have sense like him, but I know that.
Do you know when somebody is serious? No, do you?
Sorry. No thanks. Okay, let us not talk about our wicked politicians now. Let us not also talk about the protests for bad governance that we are arranging. But wait, Ibisu, did you later confront your father over that woman's allegation?
I wanted to confront my father, but then I remembered that he never told me anything about the woman.
I'm annoying. Eh?
What?
Wait. Are you trying to say that everything you told that girl about her mother, they're all lies?
I lied to her.
Your father never told you anything about that woman?
Mm-hmm.
Hey! You lied. It be so. Why do you like to complicate your life? Why? So everything you told that girl about her mother were all lies. Big lies. Ha! It be so. Come to think of it, how did that woman know that your father, you know now, if she had not had one or two with him?
She lied. She could have lied just like her daughter. Liars. I know how long I was on duty on top of that girl. But she just told her mother that I didn't last up to 1 minute. Liars.
Yeah. She told her mother. Episode. You know I'm your man. You're a real man. If you lie to any other person, you won't lie to me. You know. Is it true that you don't last up to 1 minute? Hey, welcome. How are you? Ross, where you gonna go? If it's so.
What is wrong with you?
I didn't sit down. Don't mind you. That's how you know poverty now.
Otoye, let's go inside. Let's go inside.
Don't you like this fresh air we're receiving outside? What are we going inside for?
Let's just go inside and...
To do what? I don't have strength to do anything with you now. You want me to die before my time? Have you forgotten that I'm an orphan? If I go inside and do anything with you, and anything happens to me, you see this lineage I'm trying to build, trying to procreate for it to increase, just die and be forgotten.
Why are you talking about this?
You and I know why you want us to go inside. But I don't have strength to do anything now. By the way, Ebiso came here. He said that he had serious issues with his girlfriend yesterday, and you were the cause. Yes.
Me? Babes. Yesterday I was just telling Bomao that she needs someone to be taking care of her the way you are taking care of me.
That's true.
And out of the blues, boom! You came out from nowhere. I just started shouting. Just shouting. Saying he wants to have a taste of me. Boma had it. The problem.
Wait. If it's so that doesn't last up to 1 minute on top of a woman who wants to have a taste of you, that's an insult on me.
Baby, please, don't mind these people, eh? Let's just go inside and have some fun.
I don't have money.
Otoye,
Eh?
let's go inside and have fun with this bundle of sweetness. And you tell me you don't have money. I mean, what's the connection?
Pray. Wait. You see, money and blood work together. And when I don't have money, my blood congeals. And you know, the heart will not see anything to pump towards allowing a resting manhood to make it rise up and be able to perform its duties. What is wrong? Or are you angry with me?
No. Why should I be angry with you? I'm not.
But for a moment you were lost in thought, so...
Yes, I was just thinking how beautiful life would be, you know, after getting married. Having some kids, I mean, having every good thing in life.
If only this heartless man that was supposed to help me out with some money to start a business. He just wants me to swim in mud of shame and be dirty like a pig before he will do something. Anyway, I've decided not to go to him for help again. I'll look for another way to hustle out money or source out money to start up a business.
Baby, it's okay. Just take your time.
Yeah. Thank you. Eh? You see, I love the fact that you always understand. Smile. You know, anytime you smile like this, I'm always happy. Don't worry, very soon, this blood will start flowing in you. And now I'm being energetic. Anything you want, anyhow you want it, anywhere you want it. But for now,
Papa, what I'm talking about is that I'm trying to make you understand that I am still too young to get married.
Listen, what did you smoke? Are you high on something or what? I'm asking you, what did you smoke? Well, I who told you that you are too young to get married?
Papa, it's not as if all my age mates have all got married. Even you will bear me witness that I am not ready.
Anyway, I don't know what you are driving at, but it's still a good thing that you are thinking about getting married.
No, now, Papa, you're missing the point. I'm not saying it because I'm thinking about getting married.
Why am I even discussing this with you? Why? Even if you are thinking of getting married, we all know that you are not financially ready to do that. In fact, how do you want to sustain your wife and your children when you have refused to denounce joblessness and be useful to yourself?
Hey, Papa, you've just hit the nail on the head. Exactly the point I've been trying to make. You are right.
Are you all right? Because each time I'm talking to you,
It has happened, though. It has finally happened. You both of you are here seated. You've not heard what is happening in this community.
what?
Do you remember that army officer, Bena, that was rumored to have been killed by the Boko Haram some years back?
The one from Abalama village.
You're right. He is not there, though. As I am talking to you now, he is in this community, flesh and blood. Do you also know that he is the uncle to that girl that your son Biso got pregnant? And why are you staring at me like that? Opa said she has briefed him everything. And the man said he will be coming to kill all of us.
Eh?
Yes, sir. And I suggest that we leave this community as soon as possible.
I see. No wonder. If so, is that why you have been talking like a madman since all this while? I've been talking to him and he has been jumping here. Anyway, there's no problem. I am not here. I've traveled. In fact, I've relocated. I've traveled to Ghana since last year. Because I cannot come and die for what I did not enjoy with you. Face what you. What is that?
What did you just say? What exactly do you want to enjoy?
I mean, is it not the one I got to get pregnant?
You were planning to join things with your son and get that girl pregnant, eh? Were you actually planning to have something at your age?
Don't allow me to slap
at
you.
Your age, old man.
Don't allow me to slap you. I don't want to be charged for domestic violence. Just leave me alone. Leave me alone now because before I start.
You should be ashamed of yourself like father, like son.
See what you have caused. Can you see it? Can you see it? Just go and face your problem. I'm not here. I've told you. Go and face it. Alone.
Criminal. What are you doing here?
If you ever call me a criminal again, I will make sure you regret your entire miserable, stupid life.
You just spoke to me like that? In that manner? You don't have respect anymore. You didn't even call me Uncle Ibiso.
Uncle what? Did you forget you pleaded with me not to call you uncle? You wanted to be called baby boy. Anyway, that's not why I'm here. I'm here to let you know that my uncle wants to see you immediately.
You know that would not be possible.
Ibiso, do you want me to tell a captain in Nigerian army that it would not be possible for him to see you immediately?
That is not exactly what I meant. My father sent me on an errand. You understand? So I'm going to my maternal home. You know, you might not know it, but I developed epilepsy last night.
You what?
I developed epilepsy.
Ibiso, how? How? No, like, how? How could you have developed epilepsy?
I am as shocked as you are. I don't know, you know. I hope I have not touched you because my father said that it is infectious.
Ibiso, epilepsy is not infectious. Wait, why are we going back and forth? Do you know what will happen to you if I tell the captain you said he should go to hell?
What took that one? When? How? Did I say you should go to hell? I just said I'm going on an errand.
So the captain is waiting for you. Are you coming with me or not?
It's going to be this now.
Okay.
If you leave these women, they will kill you for nothing. I'm telling you. They are the ones that... exactly. They are the ones that we keep complaining. Hey, that men used to look for it. That men wants it all the time. That men wants this all the time. Meanwhile, they are the ones that's always looking for it. Morning, afternoon, night, even midnight. You won't understand. Yes. Hey, my brother. Fear no let me enter my house. Fear no let me. Huh? Okay. Yeah, she's lying down in front of inside the passage here. Okay, no problem. I will talk to you later. Yeah? Thank you.
My sweetheart.
Ibiso, hope you're a
Yes.
sweetheart. What's with that one now? Why can't you just leave me alone? Why?
Look at me very well. You and I know that you want me. Yeah? And if you look into my eyes, you will also realize that I also desire you.
Excuse me? What is that? What?
Just allow me to help you find hidden places of pleasure.
Ibiso, are you right?
I am not all right. I am hungry. I'm hungry for you.
Ibiso, you're mad.
Of course I'm mad. I'm madly in love with you. Yeah? I'm madly
Ibiso.
in love.
Hey! Ibiso, you don't leave me. If you follow me again, I'll go punch you. I know they do. I'm mad. Ibiso, leave me. Ibiso, leave me alone.
Hey! What is it? Ibigin, why are you calling Ibiso's name in your dream?
I was calling his name because I just had a bad dream, and Ibiso was.
Priye. What do you have with Ibiso?
Baby, why are you saying that now?
Is it normal for you to be calling Ibiso's name in your dream? And you're asking me, why am I saying that?
I think it's because of what I told you earlier. That's why I went to see that madman in my dream. But I told him peace of my mind.
You told him peace of your mind inside the dream?
Yes.
Oh, that's good. I like what you did. I will personally go to him and give him a very serious warning. Stern warning to stay away from my girl. No. Because this is, he wants to go spiritual now. No problem. I will go and warn him.
No, baby. It's not necessary. Yes, you can come in when your attention is needed. Meditation of a real man. You're my real baby, you know.
Let me come inside. Let me go. Hey!
You are Ibiso.
Yes, sir.
So, what plans do you have as regards my niece here?
Sir, it's well. Let us just leave it in the hands of God, because His plans for us is plan of good and not that of evil.
Meaning what?
So it means that we should leave the. You asked me my plans for. We should leave it in the hands of God, because the Bible says that His plans for us is that of good and not that of evil. So any plans now that will come out of it will be plan of good.
This is funny. He is funny. In fact, you are a funny man. You are a funny man. This is the kind of in-law that I will want to marry my niece. By the way, what do you do for a living?
I live with my parents, sir.
You said what?
So it's not as bad as it sounds. It's just that it avails me a multidimensional opportunity for an inclusive readiness for any job eventuality. So it means that I don't have a job for now, sir.
What? So you mean you have here a jobless man to marry my niece? Huh?
But he got her pregnant.
Madam, you will not have sense now and listen to the captain. Sir, I honestly do not think that I am responsible for her pregnancy.
You are a madman. Captain, call your boys. Let them beat this goat up and lock him in the guard room. Do that. Do it.
But why do you say that you are not responsible? Why?
Sir, she swore to me that she was a virgin. But when I entered, so I remembered what the Bible said in Matthew 7:13. Sir, it says that for wide is the gate and broad is the road that leads to destruction, and many have entered it.
Come, what is the meaning of that? Huh?
I know that you don't read Bible, but it means that so many have entered her before me.
You are truly mad.
Yeah. So the Bible it says it. The Bible said it.
Nadia, why didn't you give birth to a girl instead of a bishop? Why?
I didn't just wake up, drink tea, and got myself pregnant and gave birth to him. It was what you put in me that I gave birth to. He only grew up taking after you. So you have to deal with it yourself.
It is all your fault. You are the one that raised that boy to become the fool he is today. Look at him, the way he's roving about the whole village like a lost torso. Eh? Just look at him. Everywhere causing trouble. And where are you coming from?
Papa, you don't have to ask any question. Don't say anything. Just hold everything you want to say now because there is fire on the mountain. In fact, it's military emergency.
Military emergency?
Yes, Papa.
What does that mean?
I was trying to explain to Furo that...
I know you are already a lost case. But Boma is not the kind of girl that any man should have anything to do with.
Exactly.
I have warned you. She is a terrorist. I have warned you times with that number, but you wouldn't listen.
Mama, I have cut her off.
Good.
I have cut her off.
Good. That is good news. Since you came in contact with that girl, you have become useless. It is a good thing that you've cut off from her.
Yeah, the problem now is not Boma. I was just trying to explain something about Furo before you cut me off. Furo, the girl that said I got her pregnant, she took me to her uncle, and her uncle wants me to marry her as soon as possible.
Wonderful! See, that is what I'll be expecting. Look, in fact, go back to him. Tell him that I, your father, am giving you blessing to go ahead with the marriage.
Papa?
Yes.
But how can you...
Wait. Ibiso, do you expect me to go and fight with that man? I just came back from Sambisa Forest where he fought with terrorists and Boko Harams. I don't have that strength. So go ahead with the marriage. You have my blessing.
No. How can you say that? You have always said you don't want me to have anything to do with her. Now you're saying I should go. Mama, can you imagine?
Yes, sir. I can imagine, my son. That girl is going to make you a very good wife.
Exactly.
In fact, you will help me tell the uncle, Dana, that I, your mother, has given her blessings to you.
See, both of us are giving
you our blessings, girl. Oh yeah, congratulations, my boy.
The marriage I had with your mother, go and experience it.
Enjoy your life.
How can they want me to marry now? How? I don't want to marry you. What are you doing here?
Yes, of course. I came to see you.
Why would you come to see me? Did I tell you I wanted to see anybody? Or you are not satisfied with the problem you have caused between me and Boma? Now please, just leave before they will say I've beaten up a woman. Just leave.
Maybe so. Why are you talking like this? Why now? Eh? Listen, I was just missing you, so I just thought I should come and see you.
You were missing me? No, how? What about me are you supposed to miss?
Oh, come on, my darling. I miss everything about you. Everything my sweet baby boy.
Okay, thank you. Please, go. You may leave now.
Maybe so. I'm not going anywhere. I am not. I mean, don't you think I've been envious of Boma? Is that what you think? Listen, I've always had my eyes on you. I've always wanted you. What are you saying? Well, I have a gift for you. This for you, I got this for you, my darling baby boy. You know I love you so much. That's for you. Have it.
Thank you for the money.
Don't thank me. Come on. That's okay. I mean, if I don't do this for you, my darling, who will I do it for?
What is wrong with you? What do you think will happen if Toyin hears you saying all these things?
You are my baby boy for life.
Hello?
Yeah. Okay. Listen. I know you're confused right now, but trust me. I know everything that I'm doing. Okay. I will organize a private place for us to see. So with that you can come and help me scratch those places that's been scratching me. Okay, fine. Take a look at this. Take a look at the sweetness over you. Would you want to That's fine, you get used to it. I mean, let me scratch.
I am in big trouble. Big trouble. Big trouble. Very big trouble.
If you watch, I am writing. This is a petition I'm supposed to send to the minister. To the commissioner. Please, let me finish this petition before I send it out before it gets dark.
No, it's all right. Continue writing your petition. When you're done, you can start writing my obituary. No, continue. You want to write my obituary. When you're done with that one, you start writing my obituary.
What is the problem? Wait, let me bring chair for you. Sit down.
See here. That girl, Furo, her uncle, who is a captain in the army, said that if I don't marry her, as soon as possible, I'll face firing squad. military firing squad.
Okay.
Boma said, if I don't start making arrangements to marry her immediately, she will make me to eat grass like goat. And as if I'm not already in enough problems. Priya now said,
Pri who? Wait. This Priya you just called her, is it my own Priya? What about her?
What happened is that Priya went to Boma and told her terrible things about me. Very terrible things. It's a big problem.
That's all. You are finished. You are in a very big problem. Hot soup. That's what you are in. But there's no problem. Let us not start. Let us not go and start remembering what has happened. What has happened has happened. What we should be thinking of how to do now is to put heads together and look for a lasting solution to these your problems. Because you know you're very good in complicating your life. So that is it. Have you finished? Can I continue with my petition?
Papa.
Yes.
There is something very important I would want to discuss with you.
Really? You want to discuss something very important with me?
Yes, Papa.
That's good. Okay. Go ahead.
There is something you said to me the other night that really touched me. So, I was...
Wait. I said something that touched you.
Yes, Papa.
What is it?
It was actually a question. You asked me why I'm always attracted to women that are nothing to write home about.
Okay, yes, I remember. But you never answered that question.
Furo's mother, she said something right in front of my friend. She said that you don't last up to a minute on top of a woman.
What? What type of nonsense is that?
But she said that if you had lasted up to 1 minute on top of my mother, that she would have given birth to something more sensible than me.
Me? You mean that woman says something like that? Hey! Wait. Have you ever asked your mother about my sterling quality when I'm in the bedroom with her? Have you asked her? Hey! God, this is an insult. That woman has actually challenged me. And I will show her the stuff I am made of. Yes. Look, I will make sure that woman, honestly, she doesn't scream and run out naked from the room in defeat. Tell her, then she know. What? Why did you even like that? What is wrong with you?
What did I just hear you say now? You are bragging to your son how you're going to sleep with another woman and make her run out of the room naked? That boy. And you expect him to be responsible?
Lord, dear, why are you always struggling to misunderstand me? If you should tell your mother that what she said is not what I'm trying to say. Ibiso, where are you going? Come back here.
You are still talking. You are still talking.
That is my weakness.
You are a shameless. You are a shameless man.
Will you stop that? Will you stop that rubbish?
Come back here.